perfect piece. Change plan again. Right, what we're going to do is, this area is absolutely perfect for my engine to fit on my trike. So, which was lucky, very lucky. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to cut there and cut there, bring the front in, and then reattach. I think that will work. Let's give it a try. 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 We'll see. I don't know. But listen. 2 points. Don't quite know. Tidy up a little bit. City glasses! Where's your weight on it? That's it. Where? Oh. Where did that go? What are I doing that? Where's the net? Where's the net? Where's the net? Where's the net? There it is. We are now going to try to attach the front steering column. I don't think it's going to work. But it's going to go. We are back. Sadly, my battery died on the camera and we missed a few bits. So what we got to so far is area for the seat to go up, make it a bit more comfier. Wheels on, front bars are on, some bracing, which is in, steering works. Next, take the wheels off, leave the forks on, a little bit of welding support across here and up there, and we'll get the seat on, and then try to make the welding look a little bit better and finish it all off.